Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, back at you with another video, and I mean another unboxing video. And today guys, I finally got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Let's say that again, that's a mouthful. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. And I finally got my hands on it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna give my first impressions. You ready? Here we go. Today I got the woodsman knife, got my woodsman knife today. And let me get this open. But before we unbox it, you have 6 to 20 hours playtime and talk time. You have triple mics for clear calls. And with this, you have active noise cancellation. Active noise cancellation wasn't on the Galaxy Buds Pluses. And these are the Galaxy Buds Pluses right here. And we're going to open up the Galaxy Buds Lives. And here we go with the woodsman knife. Let's get into it. Here we go. Let's open them up. Alright, we got anything in here? In the open box right here, we got some books. Your normal stuff that's in here. Just pluck them for foul these. We don't need these. And here we go. We're here to go. I'm not going to unwrap them right now. Just give me a second. Let's see what else is in the box. We have, okay, it comes with, it has USB-C. It comes with a USB-C charger. So we're going to put that back in there because I got enough of those already. There's nothing else in here. As you can see, there's nothing else in here right now. So we're going to put that down. And we're going to get into this. Let me peel it off. These smell like expensive. These smell like expensive. Let's open them. Boom. That's how it looks right there. Let's see if we can get it right there. Trying to cover my face, okay, right there. See if you can see it. Right there, that's how they look. So before we pair them up, I want to see if it really, because these come with wireless charging. You could just place them on a charging mat and see if it charge up. Let's see if this have charge. They said it's supposed to have, yep, and it's charging up. So you can actually put this on the charging mat or a battery like I have right here that you can lay your phone on, or you can lay something on here that has wireless charging, and you can get wireless charging. But let me hook this up real quick. Let me get them paired up to my phone, and let's make a call and see how they sound. I'll be back. Go get a coffee. Yo, what's up everybody? I'm back. Easy pairing. Opened it, went into the Bluetooth settings, and they found it. And I paired it up and uploaded. Downloaded everything that need to be downloaded and things like that. And what we're going to do, we're going to put them in my ears. I'm going to make a call and listen to some music. Now the funny thing is with these, if you can see them, is that the part is, it fits in your ear a little bit differently because it goes in your ear and the sensor goes on the bone of the ear right here. So I don't know if you can see it, but it fits in your ear like that down in. They look like black pinto beans. Like I'm putting like black kidney beans in my ear right now. So I'm gonna put it up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give my wife a call because I think she's still up. Let's get her before she go to bed. Let's see how I sound in this. Do 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 do. Hello, how you doing, baby? I didn't know you were still up. Uh-oh, you answered the phone. How do I sound? Do I sound good? Can you, am I clear? If I turn on the fan and I blow it at me, can you hear it? Can you hear the fan? Yeah, I mean the small fan, can you hear it? Can't hear it? Okay, well thank you very much. And I'll talk to you soon. You have a good day. Bye-bye. My wife said it was clear. I guess the active noise cancellation is working, because I turned on the small fan I have right here to see if it blows, if she can hear it. She said she didn't hear nothing. Now we're going to listen to some music, and I'm going to tell you how it sounds. I'm going to turn it up a little bit. Woo! The bass is good. The bass is good. High by your grace, oh Dove. Hey, they sound really good. Now, I'm not really an audiophile head, but they sound real good. You can keep one bud in. You can still listen to music. You can turn it off, turn it back on. I gotta find the right spot right there. Turn it on and off. So it has touch controls on it. They sound real good. So right now I give these a pass. They sound real good, and you can wirelessly charge them. Put them on. You got a charging pad. Put them on a charging pad. They sound good. I think I paid around 164 bucks for them. I think 164 bucks. I will put it down in the link below. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I do unboxing of techs, and I do photography stuff. Yo, I'm sorry guys, I put the buds back in. Yo, I'm sorry, I put the buds back in. You can see it in my ear. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give them the infamous shake test to see if they fly out my ears. You ready? 1, 2, 3. They still in my ears, a little looser, but they're in my ear, so they got the shake test. They're shake certified. You have a good day. Again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer. Sign it off. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Peace.